Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. Let us see what is coming up, guys. Today's reading is quite going to be different, guys. I'll be picking three cards, one card for your past, one card for your present, and one card for your future, guys. Sagittarius. So we will turn the cards as we proceed with the reading. So for your present now, sorry guys, past, greet the dawn. So in your past, maybe Sagittarius or the angels are guiding us that you have what to say. You have had opportunities or challenges, some kind of beginnings or fresh start that has happened in your past, and whatever has happened in your past should not affect what is happening today, guys. So every day is a different day, and you should not burden yourself with what was negative in the past, and that should not blind your decisions today. So whatever opportunities that are coming your way, you have to accept it as it is. Simply try to do your best, and do not force things. Do not what to say, expect certain kinds of results by forcing your way into it. So when you do that, you feel sad because certain things may not come up to your expectation. But when you allow things to happen as it happens, as it unfolds, you feel that sense of gratitude and acceptance for whatever it brings towards you, those gifts and that challenges, whatever it is. So when you accept it with that what to say, without those burdens in your mind, you accept it totally. So that was your past, guys. Maybe you accepted few challenges or few opportunities that came your way, or you should have done it with more acceptance, whatever opportunities came your way or whatever challenges that came your way. So what is your present today, Sagittarius? Cherish innocence. So for today, the energy is cherish innocence, guys. Often we take life very seriously. We have fear of certain things. We have so many burdens. So sometimes we should see our present day situations without those burdens. We should have more wonder in our heart, more joy, and experience those simple pleasures of life without those burdens of our what to say, our mental burdens, whatever we have, those responsibilities. We should allow ourselves to enjoy the day, laugh aloud, happily, see the magic around us, have that playfulness in your heart. So sometimes you need to do that, release all those burdens. So that is the energy for you all today, Sagittarius. So give up all these burdens and these responsibilities, and have that playfulness in your heart. That is what the angels are guiding you all for today. So let us see what is your future. Generosity. So your future energy is generosity, guys. So you need to be what to say, be that person who can help others, maybe sometimes monetarily if you can do it, or maybe with your time and energy. Maybe just a small thing, listening to other people's troubles, sorrows, or spending time with them to support somebody, support a friend, a family, or community, helping them to heal from some sadness. So when you do that, when you pass that love from you to others, it just helps them in the great way, guys. So you should be that supportive person. Maybe if you are if you can do it, you can do it financially, some financial assistance to those who need. Or if you are a person who can spend time with people to console them, to give them that strength and confidence in their heart, you can do it. So any small help goes a great way, guys, and it will open our hearts to more gratitude and love, and it will help us to learn the purpose of our lives. So that is the reading for today, Sagittarius. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated with you all, please comment, and please comment whether you liked it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.